Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing your vehicle's clutch and installing the temperature sensor. Let's dive right in. First, gather the essential tools you'll need for this job. You'll require a socket set, a torque wrench, pliers, and a clutch alignment tool. Make sure to have a clean workspace, as cleanliness is key when working on your vehicle. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and securing it on jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the transmission. Ensure you have your safety goggles on, as debris can fly during this process. Next, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Once the battery is disconnected, you can remove the transmission mount bolts. This step requires a 10mm socket. Keep these bolts in a labeled container to prevent losing them. After removing the bolts, carefully lower the transmission using a transmission jack. This is a crucial step, as you want to avoid damaging the transmission or any surrounding components. Now, let's focus on the clutch assembly. You'll need to unbolt the pressure plate from the flywheel. This typically involves 6 bolts, which can be a bit tricky. Use a 13mm socket to remove them. If you encounter any resistance, a breaker bar can provide the additional torque you need. Once the pressure plate is removed, gently slide the old clutch disc out. Before installing the new clutch, take a moment to clean the flywheel surface with a wire brush. This helps ensure a good bond with the new clutch. Remember, a clean surface is essential for optimal performance. Now, install the new clutch disc and align it using the clutch alignment tool. This tool is critical for ensuring everything fits perfectly, so don't skip this step. Once aligned, place the pressure plate over the new clutch disc and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Torque these to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 25 to 30 ft-lbs. At this point, we'll shift our focus to the temperature sensor. Locate the sensor, which is typically near the thermostat housing. Using a socket, remove the old sensor and clean the area to prevent any debris from entering the system. If you're unsure about the sensor's location, consult your vehicle's manual for precise details. Now, install the new temperature sensor, ensuring that it's seated correctly. Tighten it securely but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the sensor. As you are putting everything back together, make sure to double-check all connections and bolts. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Plus, we'll give you a quote before any repair begins, so you know exactly what to expect. Reattach the transmission, securing it with the mount bolts, and reconnect the battery. Once everything is reassembled, perform a test drive to ensure that the new clutch and temperature sensor are functioning correctly. And that concludes our detailed guide on replacing your clutch and installing a temperature sensor. Take your time, follow the steps closely, and your vehicle will be running smoothly in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.